Hi guys, welcome back to Geterbrewed. So today I want to very quickly talk about the custom grain kit. So that was something that we wanted to do right from the very start whenever we started this business. We wanted to offer that flexibility and level of bespoke ingredient ordering that allowed you, our valued customer and homebrewers, to be able to order precisely what you needed with no waste and packaged in a professional food safe environment. A number of years ago we launched the first custom grain kit and we've updated it a few times, and recently we were able to launch our latest update. So the main benefits with the new software that we've launched with the custom grain kit is that it's linked to our live stock control system. So if there's an item goes out of stock on the Geterbrewed site, that it will cease to be visible on the custom grain kit. And also then the second major improvement, which we hope that you'll really like, is that you can save your recipes for reordering and adding to your wish list basket to save your recipes that you create and then obviously reorder them. Now, in doing that, the simple change that we had to make was that you have to log in to your account to be able to create those recipes so that they're being saved with a level of confidentiality, and that they're being saved just to your account so that other people aren't seeing the recipes that you've created and saved. So lots of, what may seem minor changes, but they should eliminate a lot of issues which people were having. So the reason that we brought the custom grain kit out was it's bespoke, allowed you to order exactly what you wanted, and the packaging is very professional. In the new system, you're able to select whether you wanted whole or crushed. You're able to save multiple recipes. You're able to choose from a wider range of ingredients. So we've added the advanced hop products that are the likes of Lupomax and that to the hop offering, and we've added a much wider variety of yeasts. So any malt that we stock in-house, any yeast, any hop is available on the custom grain kit. And we've also added priming sugar options, which allows you to select candy cane sugar and brewing sugar as part of that package. There's also, if you're wanting to add carbonation drops and things like that there. So what we've really aimed with this version is to allow it greater flexibility for you for saving recipes, and also to offer you a wider catalogue of products. We're really proud of this service. It's our single best-selling product that we have. So the benefits for you as the homebrewer for using the Geterbrewed Custom Grain Kit are that you can select the quantities that you require for your recipe precisely with no waste. So all of those malts weighed out precisely in a food safe environment, packaged professionally. All of those hops weighed out precisely in resealable hop packets that are nitrogen flushed and vac packed, knowing that they're the freshest hops that there is in the industry, that they're cold stored, knowing that you've got the wide selection of yeast that we have available, and that includes both liquid yeast and dried yeast, and also the alternative there now where we're allowing you to create something really unique, because we've added our botanical section so you can select a whole range of botanicals, and then the brewing sugar option's been added so you can select candy cane sugar or dextrose if your recipe dictates that you need that. The real aim here is to provide a bespoke, unique service that isn't available anywhere else, that we're offering you the ability to select every ingredient that we have under our roof here in any quantity to suit your needs. We know that you guys love this because we see the high volume of orders coming in, and it's through growth and size and support from you that we've been able to offer this service. So as you can imagine, it's very, very labor intensive. It takes up a lot of space, having all of that picking and packing in relation to such flexibility, but that in turn has allowed us to create employment here, and it's been a positive thing too. So we thank you so much for continuing to support us, and we hope that you enjoy the custom grain kit. If you find that there's something that you want to use on the custom grain kit service and it's out of stock, all you have to do is drop us a message and we'll offer you our suggested solutions for a substitute or an alternative. And there's always something there, or there's always advice that we can give to help you with that process. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for the support with the custom grain kit. If you have any questions or any recommendations or feedback, we look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, happy brewing.